commemoration of the International Day of the World Indigenous People, I pay tribute to all of Indigenous sisters and brothers around the world. The government of Bangladesh doesn't recognize us as indigenous and has not adopted the UN Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous People. We are deprived of our civil, political rights, cultural and health rights, as well as long-term food security. The misery seems to be unending, yet we are still here fighting, struggling. Despite of this, we believe that following the path of the struggle, we are indigenous people will achieve our right to self-determination someday. Thank you.
विश्व आदिवासी दिवस में आप सबों को शुभकामनाएं, बधाई एवं जोहार। आज विश्व आदिवासी दिवस हम सभी आदिवासियों के लिए एक महत्वपूर्ण दिन है। आज भारत देश के आदिवासी अपनी सामाजिक, राजनीतिक, आर्थिक व्यवस्था को बचाने के लिए संगठनात्मक तरीके से संघर्ष कर रहे हैं। मैं अपने भारत देश के सरकारों से अपील करती हूँ और साथ ही अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सरकारों से भी अपील करती हूँ कि आदिवासी समाज की सामाजिक, राजनीतिक, आर्थिक व्यवस्था को नष्ट न करें, क्योंकि हम सभी आदिवासियों को भी जीवन जीने का अधिकार है। जय आदिवासी।
You a happy World Indigenous Peoples Day. I would like to thank Asian Indigenous People Pact and solidarity to Indigenous women of Northeast India. Indigenous women from Northeast India have always played a vital role in preserving peace and harmony. So also they have been as self-reliant in contribution to their family and society through hard work in day-to-day life. But they have still not been able to enjoy gender equality when it comes to the role in their political life. And this has long denied their right to equally take part in their decision-making bodies. Indigenous women from Northeast India are facing cases of racial discrimination and social stigma in different parts of the country. Therefore, I appeal to the national level and international level platform for the gender equality in all walks of life and stop racial discrimination against Northeast Indigenous women and Indigenous people of the world. Thank you.
Ahoy, saya Miriana Yumi, berasal dari komunitas adat masyarakat adat penunggu Kampung Menteng, Tualang Pusu, Sumatera Utara, Indonesia. Saya mewakili perempuan aman dan perempuan adat di seluruh Indonesia. Kami sebagai perempuan adat ingin memastikan dan terus berjuang bahwasannya kami ingin negara melindungi dan memenuhi hak kami sebagai masyarakat adat dan peraturan lainnya di desa. Tanah merupakan sumber penghidupan dan kehidupan bagi kami masyarakat adat, tempat mempraktekkan dan mengembangkan pengetahuan kami sebagai masyarakat adat dan membangun kemandirian kehidupan. Kami ingin berdaulat untuk hidup dengan cara pandang kami tanpa mencemaskan diskriminasi. Kami perempuan adat untuk menjaga ketahanan hidup komunitas adat kami yang didasarkan pada wilayah adat. Sahkan RUU Masyarakat Adat, akui hak kolektif perempuan adat. Ahoy!
Hi, greetings from Chin Indigenous Person with Disability. I'm Joshua from Myanmar. I want to say that IMP movement in Asia is very important and significant to protect our land, to raise our voices, and to protect and promote our inherited culture and language. I am very happy about IMP movement so far. There are much more things to be done. We should do together. We should move ahead. As we celebrate IMP's Day, I want to congratulate all together and have a happy year. Thank you so much.
I'm Chingchipa Lomi, Vice Chairperson of NIF Federation. I wish you all happy Indigenous Peoples Day. We Indigenous peoples in Asia and elsewhere around the world should work in solidarity to resist the colonizers and settlers in the guise of so-called modern state and private business companies. We should fight together against development aggression in our ancestral land, territories and resources from community to international level. We should intensify our solidarity to reclaim and strengthen our collective right, collective way of life, ownership and control over land, territories and resources, and customary self-governance system to revitalize our gender egalitarian society. In Nepal, we are fighting against Brahmanism, internal colonialism, Hindu patriarchy, and so on. We indigenous sisters and brothers from Nepal would like to express our solidarity with you all.
I'm Ned Tugine from Progressive Igorots for Social Action and Indigenous Youth from the Cordillera, Philippines. Indigenous peoples' movement in Asia is significant because they champion our right to ancestral land and self-determination. Such movement put forward the global visibility of indigenous peoples' issues and allow us to share our stories to platforms that have been denied to us before. This Indigenous Peoples Day, we celebrate our victories in solidarity in advancing indigenous peoples' rights. Amid all the challenges, especially at the time of the pandemic, we are looking forward to building wider network and stronger movement. Long live the Indigenous Peoples Movement.
สวัสดีค่ะดิฉันนางวณิชยากันทยวงเป็นตัวแทนของ IWNT ประเทศไทยวันชนเผ่าพื้นเมืองปีนี้นะคะเครือข่ายสตรีชนเผ่าซึ่งเรามีส่วนร่วมกับวันชนเผ่าพื้นเมืองมาตั้งแต่ 2550 สตรีชนเผ่าพื้นเมืองได้รวมตัวกันในระดับพื้นที่เพื่อมีพื้นที่สำหรับสตรีชนเผ่าในการดำเนินกิจกรรมและก็ยกระดับมาในระดับประเทศไทยนะคะก็มีการรวมตัวกันณปัจจุบันก็มีอยู่13กลุ่มสตรีชนเผ่านะคะรวมทั้งได้เชื่อมต่อสตรีชนเผ่าในเอเชียนะคะซึ่งเราทำงานในการมีส่วนร่วมมีเวทีการจัดกิจกรรมต่างๆนะคะเพื่อว่าเสริมพลังผู้หญิงนะคะให้ผู้หญิงรู้สิทธิของตัวเองนะคะให้ผู้หญิงเข้าถึงระบบการคุ้มครองที่ปลอดภัยนะคะให้ผู้หญิงได้มีส่วนร่วมในการส่งเสียงผู้หญิงในระดับสากลมากขึ้นค่ะ
It's a privilege for Sindhu Joventurico Lima to become an active member of AIPP and also Indigenous People Network. AIPP has playing very active, important roles to advocate, protect and claim Indigenous people rights all over the world, especially in Asia, in order to allow Indigenous people to fully exercise their rights to living with dignity and living in peace. Acknowledge that Indigenous people movement, especially in Asia and AIPP faced many challenges, but let me acknowledge that all the effort that been dedicated, which is given several significant achievements to allow Indigenous people exercise their rights, exercise their culture, and manage their own resources. So it's important for us to strengthen the capacity of Indigenous people and also strengthening our networking to continue or struggle in the future.
CRDM became AIPP member for more than 15 years. Since then, CRDM has been engaged in AIP movement to defend and promote our right to self-determination. The IP movement leading by AIPP has been capacity for its members, including CRDM. CRDM has changed its notion and approach from assistant Vietnamese IP on poverty alleviation to self-determination on their own development based on democratic principles and human rights. The IP movement created very effective and meaningful forum for IP to voice their issue related to IP rights. CRDM has actively participated in regional and international forums to voice issue of Vietnamese IP in UPA, UNREP, UNFCCC. With support and encouragement from IP movement and AIPP, Vietnamese IP have been engaged in national processes like RED+ implementation, law and policy making, winning development program for Vietnamese IP and women.